Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KavuCreative. Today, I will teach you amazing text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Select Type tool from the Tool menu. Write the words text effect. Change its color. Align it to center from the Align panel. Hold Shift plus Alt key and make its copy at upper side. Right-click on it and select Create Outlines. Select Knife tool from the Tool menu. Hold Shift plus Alt key and make cut on the center of the text. Right-click on it and select Ungroup. Select top part of the text and right-click on it and select Group. Select bottom part of the text and right-click on it and select Group. Change its color. Select top part of the text and select Free Transform tool from the Tool menu. Hold the Shift key and drag it to little bit right side. Hold the Control key and select bottom part of the text and hold the Shift key and drag it to little bit right side. Select both part and right-click and make Group. Now put it on the white text. Select All and right-click and make Group. Now it looks stunning. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you want to know anything, ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.